In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Trello account. This might be something you've been considering, whether you're looking to simplify your digital life, minimize the number of accounts you manage, or just moving on from Trello to other project management tools. No worries, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step today. Let's dive in. First, we'll start by heading over to Trello's homepage. Fire up your web browser and type in trello.com in the address bar. Once there, you'll see the familiar Trello homepage. Look towards the upper right corner, you'll notice the login button prominently displayed. Give it a click. This is going to take us to the login page where you can enter your credentials. You have a couple of options to get logged in. You can use your Google, Microsoft, Apple or Slack account if any of those are already linked with your Trello, making things super convenient. Alternatively, you can simply log in using your regular email address and password, whatever method you're most comfortable with. After signing in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. Now focus your attention on the top right corner again. You should see your avatar, the small circle image that represents your account. Click on this avatar and a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, look for and select Manage Account. This option will lead you directly to your account settings. In your account settings, the next step is straightforward. Scroll to find Account Preferences. Click this and you'll be taken to a new set of options tailored specifically to your account's preferences. Navigating through these options will bring you one step closer to accomplishing your goal. Within account preferences, it's time to look for the delete account button. Don't worry if you can't see it immediately, just remember it's usually nestled in a spot where it's visible yet intentionally placed, ensuring that you're making a conscious decision to delete. Now this isn't simply a one-click job. To confirm this action, Trello will prompt you to enter your account password again. This extra step is there to ensure it's truly you requesting this change, safeguarding your account from accidental or unauthorized deletions. Once you've typed in your password and confirmed the deletion, congratulations, you've successfully guided your way through deleting your Trello account. Be sure to tie up any loose ends before you take this step, as it will remove your access permanently and any associated projects. And there you have it. Thanks for following along with me today. If you found this guide useful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs. Until next time, take care.